Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm going to be unboxing and just getting a nice overview of this 5-in-1 UGREEN USB-C multifunction adapter. So open it up, see what we have inside the box. So inside the box we got some paperwork, and I think some more paperwork. Put that aside, and then the actual device. We take a look at it. You got the UGREEN branding at the top there. Plus you have a nice braided cable, very nice, and you have the USB-C plug. And that would go into your MacBook or wherever you want to plug it into, but assuming you're most likely going to be using this for either your MacBook or your Windows laptop, you have one HDMI port here. You have one power delivery USB-C port. Again, this is only power delivery. You cannot use this for data transfer or another display. So if you wanted dual monitors with this particular hub, you cannot do that. You only have one HDMI port. You have one USB-A 3.0 and then two USB 2.0. So you get 480 megabits per second with these two, and then you have I believe it's 5 gigabits per second for this one. And just to confirm, let's just look at the specs right here. 5 gigabits per second, 480 megabits per second. Yep. Quality feels pretty sturdy, feels nice. It's got the aluminum shell, plastic here. It's got like that charcoal color. It's like that midnight blue charcoal color. Yeah, but otherwise, yeah, that's a pretty solid adapter. I have this set up for a few laptops in the office. Something to note also is that I believe this HDMI only goes up to 60 hertz, which is pretty decent at 1080p. If you wanted to use this for a 4K monitor, that's only 30 hertz. So just take that into consideration. 30 hertz is very laggy for a 4K monitor. This is perfect if you're using it for a 1080p monitor. So just to remember that if you consider purchasing this. I'll have links in the description below. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.